Is red meat safe? Clients often ask me if it's safe to consume red meat regularly. In general, the safety issue of consuming red meat revolves around the risk of cancer, preservatives used, and the cooking methods. Now, unprocessed red meat is a rich source of first-class protein, conjugated linoleic acid, which is a natural healthy trans fat. Processed meat and red meat in general have been linked to an increased risk of colon cancer. Hi, in this video, I am going to explain about preservatives used in processed meat and why they can be unhealthy. Preservatives keep our food safe. Nitrates and nitrites are found naturally and they're also used as preservatives in processed meat. Let's explore their safety. So what are nitrates and nitrites? These are chemicals found naturally in soil, water, and in many vegetables. Sodium nitrate is a preservative commonly associated with pink or cured meats and contains nitrate, a molecule that has heart protective properties. But it may also convert into another class of molecules known as nitrosamines or nitroso compounds, which are known to be cancer causing. In a two-step process, nitrates are first transformed into nitrites by bacteria and enzymes in our digestive system. Nitrite is critical for maintaining health by controlling blood pressure, preventing memory loss, and accelerating wound healing. Both nitrate and nitrite are continuously being formed in our bodies from the amino acid arginine. This means that our bodies actually make their own nitrate and nitrite. Nitrites further transform into two other compounds in our body. One is nitric oxide, which is good for our health, and two nitrosamines, which are harmful at high levels. So what makes processed red meat unhealthy? Nitrate added in processed meat products is the same as that which comes naturally from vegetables, but the effects differ. Sodium nitrate converts to harmful nitroso compounds by binding to heme ion in the meat. The higher presence of heme ion in red meat explains why processed red meat forms higher nitroso compounds. White meats like poultry and fish comparatively do not form these nitroso compounds. So what should you do? Practice moderation. Research shows that if we consume processed meats in moderation as part of an overall healthy diet, we are less likely to experience health risks in the long term. Also, when nitrate and nitrites are carefully used within the prescribed levels, these ingredients are safe. Many companies have created organic and natural meat products without using synthetic preservatives. Technologists have turned to plants rich in nitrates and nitrites. They process these plants into juices and powders, then they are added to preserve the meat products. So make sure you choose trusted brands. The FDA also regulates the amount of preservatives in processed meat, which ensures that our exposure to these chemicals remains well within safe levels. Moderation is key when it comes to processed red meat, especially after assessing other risk factors in an individual. Stay tuned for part 3, where I explain about how cooking methods affect meat quality and some tips to reduce their health risks. Hope you found this information useful. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. You may also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.